A lot of the work we do in the water team is happening underneath us. As well as a lot of big projects, we've got preventative maintenance happening all the time. For preventative maintenance, we use a range of tools such as pigging, CCTV and leak detection. So the process of pigging is we run a swab down the pipe to clear any sediment or debris that's collected inside the pipe. It's to try and ensure that our customers get the best quality water. Another program we do is CCTV, basically like running a little radio control camera down the pipe to see if we can identify areas that need cleaning or weakness in the structure of the pipe. Then we can plan for repairs or replacement. When we're doing leak detection, you might see a person walking down the street with headphones on, a little control box and a special rod that they touch on valves, hydrants and tobies, and they can listen in to help them hone in on the leaks. The problem with leaks is it's a waste of water. That's a big problem, but also where water leaks out of a pipe, there's a risk that things could leak into the pipe also. The importance of a preventative maintenance program is to identify weaknesses in the network before they become a problem.